In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a flowchart in Miro. Whether you're mapping out a new project or illustrating a complex process, flowcharts are invaluable tools for visual communication. Let's dive into Miro and discover how to make one efficiently. To start, make sure you're logged into your Miro account and navigate to your dashboard. Here, you'll find all your past projects and new beginnings waiting for you. Now, let's get started by moving over to the Explore Templates section, which is strategically placed within your dashboard for easy access. This is your gateway to a vast collection of templates that Miro offers, crafted to cater to every need imaginable. Clicking on it will open up a world of possibilities. Once you're there, you'll need to narrow down your search by typing flowchart into the search bar. Typing this keyword will help you locate the flowchart templates available. As you type, you might notice a variety of options appearing before you. Miro does an excellent job of presenting you with an array of flowchart styles that you can choose from. Take a moment to browse through the templates. Pick one that best fits the structure and style you envision for your project. Take your time. It's important to find a template that best aligns with the narrative you're aiming to develop. After deciding on the perfect template, it's time to make it your own. Click on Use Template to add it to your workspace. This will initiate the template into a digital canvas where you'll be able to tailor every aspect to suit your needs. Personalizing your template is a significant part of the process, and it's where the template starts turning into your unique creation. Now, it's time to focus on collaboration, which is where Miro truly shines. You can click on Create Team Board to set up a collaborative space. This feature enables you and your team to work together seamlessly. No matter where you're located, it's perfect for sharing inputs, iterating on ideas, and seeing your flowchart come to life with real-time updates. Creating a team board is essential for effective collaboration, especially when you're working with multiple stakeholders or team members. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a flowchart in Miro, equipped with the tools and features needed to communicate your ideas clearly and collaboratively. Remember, the flowchart is just the beginning. It can act as a springboard for more complex projects, offering clarity and direction for you and your team. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Happy charting and collaborating!